Good morning, everyone. So, describe why being database is important. Well, it's important to be database because when you go to like Pinterest or Amazon or even Instagram and you start searching for items like, for Pinterest, I like to search for recipes like cookies, cakes, different kind of desserts. And so the next time when I log into Pinterest, it has gathered all the information and items that I like to search for that it'll actually pop up in my search engine and kind of give me different things to look at. So it continuously changes based off of what I search for. So for example, I've searched in the past for nail ideas and, have a little bit of nail idea right there. I have cupcakes, different kind of recipes, drink recipes, birthday ideas. Last year I did a shark theme, so it's probably why it's popping up dinosaur stuff because that's kind of what I want to do this year. um, Working out, desserts, just random different things, and it changes every single time. So if I log out of Pinterest and log back in, so here, I'll click enter, and it should reload Pinterest, and it's going to have different stuff on there. So it just gives me a little bit more different ideas. And it's kind of the same thing with Instagram. You you follow makeup people, you search for makeup, you looked at videos, so clearly, hence why I have a lot of makeup stuff on my Explorer for Pinterest. Um, just curiosity, different ideas. And so with Amazon, I just recently purchased a game called Five Crowns. And it'll kind of give me like, hey, you recently viewed this, stock up for college. This is what you recently ordered. So it kind of also keeps up to date to things I've ordered, things I've looked at. And so it becomes kind of quite important because when I search for mason jars, I'll click on mason jars and it'll give me multiple ones. And so when I actually go into one and I scroll down, so like I click on this, something I've ordered before. I just actually ordered that one today. Might take a little bit. And sometimes if you scroll down, it'll give you different ideas, different games by the same company, or hey, you've bought this, frequent buyers buy these together. And so it kind of keeps track of what you've purchased. And then, you know, for movies, you could search the city and the state, and it'll give you all the movie theaters that have movies playing. And if you actually want to look for a specific movie, you could look at that too, and they'll tell you which theaters are playing it. So it actually becomes very beneficial versus just going to regalcinemas.com and all they have on there is just their movie theater. So on here, you're not specifically just looking for the movie theater, you're just actually looking for the movie itself, and I'll give you a general idea of what movie theaters are playing that. So being database becomes really important just because it gathers the information, what people search for what, and it could be used to benefit their website versus, not gaining anything from it. So that comes down to static content, which is, having limitation on that, it will prevent a lot of companies from gathering information for items that we have searched. So, you know, if Pinterest was a static content, it wouldn't have any of the things that I have searched for. It wouldn't give me any ideas like, hey, you searched, you know, foods or dogs ideas. It wouldn't give me any like, hey, there's this pool for a dog that looks like a bone. So it wouldn't have any of this information on there. So it is pretty important to be database. Well, thank you for listening, and I hope you guys all have a great day. Bye.